Yeah, I hope you have already read the benefits for the skin. All right, so we are going to apply this. Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel and to another video. So in today's video we are doing honey and vitamin E face mask. Okay, yes. So if you are new here, my name is Estalia Awoyaa. I'm a Ghanaian YouTuber based in Castle City, which is Kaswa, central part of Ghana. Okay, and if you're Ghanaian, you know where that is. All right, so if you like what you're seeing already, just hit on the subscribe button and then hit on the notification bell so whenever I upload a video you could be notified. Okay, yes, just do that, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Okay, comment and share among your friends and family, and to my OGs, my old subscribers, words cannot explain how I appreciate your comment and everything. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. God bless you all. I don't think this video is going to be that too long. Okay, so let's quickly get into it now. I have my brush here and my honey mixed with vitamin E. Yeah, I hope you have already read the benefits for the skin. All right, so we're going to apply this on our face. Okay, I feel like eating it. It smells so good. You know, honey has a nice smell. Okay. can either choose to use your hand to apply this. Okay, I think the brush is not making it faster. Using your hand will be a bit easier than the brush. Okay. And please try as much as possible to avoid your eye area. My 15 minutes is due and I've washed the face mask off. Okay, yes, so you can tell for yourself how this face mask works very quickly. See how my face is glowing and looking moisturized. So after you have washed your face, okay, after you have washed, you can use any face moisturizer that you are using already to apply on. Light off. Gosh, my light is off. It's about to rain, so the light is off. Oh my god, see how dark this video look. Anyway, I'm not going to stop here. No. So this is it for you guys. If you like this video, just give me a thumbs up, comment below, and share among your friends and family. Catch you in my next video. Bye bye.